Hi all. So welcome to this Streamlit session. And today in this session we will discuss how can we integrate Plotly with Streamlit. See, sometimes what happen, maybe you are creating a dashboard and you want to plot something in Plotly. So you can plot your Plotly graph and even still you are able to integrate that plot with Streamlit. That is super easy in Streamlit. See what I'm doing here. Let me explain. So here I'm first importing Streamlit, then I'm importing pandas, then I'm importing matplotlib, and then just I'm importing plotly. Okay, these are very simple importing here. Now I'm reading this data. So even I imported pandas to read the data. So I want to read this. See, in the same directory I have one file data1.csv. So I want to read this. So I'm reading pd.read underscore csv data1.csv. Let me show this data. So in Streamlit, we have a different technique to show the data. But in this particular session, I want to show this data with write command. In coming session, I will go for one session where I will discuss different technique to show the data. But for this particular session, I want to use write only. So I'm using st.write data.head. Let me run this. So in Streamlit, if you want to run any .py file, you can run like this. Streamlit run in Streamlit space run space that particular py file. So I have plotly Streamlit. So I'm running plotly Streamlit.py. Let me hit this. Just see here you are able to see this. So what I'm doing, I'm just reading the data and showing the data. See this. So we have this data week prod A, prod B, prod C, right? So I want to make a pie chart in Plotly. I want to make a pie chart, but I want to make a pie chart for prod A. Okay, I want only for prod A. I don't want prod B, prod C. So for that I am using ilop command in pandas. So I'm using here. Just see this. Let me show this. So here I am using data is equal to data.ilog and taking all row, but in column I'm taking only 0 and first column because I'm making here filter for 2. So I will take only 0 and 2. Even if you want to check this, just write st dot write data.head. Let me save this, control S. Let's check it. So always return, and here you can see I have week and prod on data. Now I want to make a pie chart for this. See how can I make it? Let me show this. So just a minute. I want to make a pie graph here. So I'm using see I already imported plotly.express as px. I'm using fig is equal to px.piegraph, giving the data. Value I want prod a, names I use a week. So basically I want to plot a pie graph for this and name I using week. And title, you can give any title, don't worry. Suppose I just want to give any title here. So let me make a test. Let's do test. Let me title a test. Now let me save it. Just see this output for this. Here you can see I have test and this is the data. This is data for all the weeks. Here we have weeks number week 1, week 2, week 3, and this is the pie graph. So even right now I'm creating pie graph in Plotly, but I'm able to integrate that with Streamlit using st.plotly underscore chart. So in this ways, I'm able to make a plot of Plotly graph in Streamlit, able to show in Streamlit, right? So this is very important and super easy to do this. Okay, but this is really important sometimes whenever you want to make your own dashboard and you want to make a pie graph in Plotly, we can do this. Thank you so much for watching this, and in coming session I will discuss more about this. Thank you a lot.